Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of our crypto technical analysis. And before I dive in any further, I just want to say be sure to follow us on our Instagram at TMIG Crypto and follow us on YouTube. Same handle, same name, TMIG Crypto. And of course, if you have any questions, you could feel free to send us a DM and we'll answer it at our earliest convenience. But guys, we are in exciting times right now. The market is starting to move in our favor. I repeat, the market is starting to move in our favor. Okay, let's jump into the overall market for a second before I dive in the charts. So as of right now, as of recording this, Bitcoin is up 0.36%. Ethereum is down 0.30%, which is not a lot. Cardano 1.81%. Solana down just $3. Dogecoin down 3.76%. Our favorite little Shiba Inu 3.9%. Avalanche is up 3.71%, and XRP is up 6.50%. But if you think that's small, it's been up a little higher than that. In the past, this let me jump into my I'm gonna jump into the charts real quick, but I want y'all to look at this chart. Now this is the daily time frame, but just look at the 5-hour chart. You see that uptrend? You see that uptrend that we're forming? Oh my god. Guys, we went from 3 days ago, we were sitting at, just around 66 cents. And we went from 66 to 90 in 3 days, guys. In 3 days. Now, I don't know how much percentage increase that is, but that's a big jump. I mean, when I tell you, now I got in around here below 65. But when I say I was looking to get another position, I was looking for a pullback. When it hit, let me see. When XRP hit 73 cents, I thought, okay, we're gonna have a pullback. Nope, it went up to 78, hit 80, then 85. I'm like, okay, we gotta have a pullback here. Nope, it went all the way up to 90 cents. I'm like, Jesus Christ, come back, XRP, don't leave me, come back, I love you, I really love you. But it never came back until today. I got a chance to get in at 81. I got a chance to get in right here. I got it in around 84 cents. And I'm forever grateful. Now, if you missed this run up, all I can say is congratulations. You played yourself. And for all of you, let me dive into my Bitcoin chart. Okay, let me dive into my Bitcoin chart. Okay, this is XRP. I need to pull up the Bitcoin chart. Remember 2 weeks ago when I said we want to see. No, let me go to the weekly. Remember when I said, as long as we stay above this 100-day moving average, which is the pink line right here, and where this red line is at, 32,520. As long as we stay above that, I'm not worried. Okay, so we managed to do that. And I said, remember 2 weeks ago, I said, as long as we get a close above the daily, and then as long as we get a close above the 10-day moving average, which we managed to do right here. Hold up, let me get my drawing tool. We got it right there. Okay. That candle. And we got it. Remember I said, as long as we get a close above that and we get a pullback, that is when you should enter. And the pullback occurred right there. That little big candle right there. Okay, all right, after that doji candle. And since then, we got a close above the 20, moving averages cross. We got another close above the 50, and then we hit 42,000 in no time. Then we hit 44, then 45 just of last night. For those of you who plan on shorting Bitcoin, who planned on buying Bitcoin at 23,000, at 27,000, at 28,000, I must say, I was flabbergasted and surprised. Okay. Now, either you had a real bearish outlook on Bitcoin, or you just wasn't looking at the full technical patterns on the chart. Okay. But, you know, I don't feel bad for you guys, but you could always get in because it's still early. It's not too late. But I just want to say, for those of you who are shorting Bitcoin at 32,000 instead of buying it, congratulations, you played yourself. Okay, so we are hitting the 20-day moving average, which is a good sign. On the daily, well, we're oversold on the daily. I didn't realize stochastics is already up and up. Our size at 63, which is strong. And the next target for the next target is right here, 100-day moving average, 49,000. And at that point, once we get a close above that, all I would say is risk on and prepare for the next leg up of this long overdue bull market. Okay, so let me zoom out, come down. Now, even if, well, thank you. Now, if you were waiting for a pullback, you could have gotten in right there, but I don't know if you were watching it, but you could have. So that's just Bitcoin though. Let's look at Ethereum real quick. And if I'm on my phone, like I mentioned this before, but I'm using my phone, so that's why it looks like that. So if you're watching the replay on a laptop, just expand the screen. If you're watching it on the phone, just turn your phone horizontal. Okay. Look at XRP. I mean, look at Ethereum. We went from, we got this close right here, January 31st. Closed at 27.05. We ran up, hit 32, and traded sideways for a few hours. And Ethereum is also having a pullback and starting to make its way up and onwards. So next target for Ethereum is our 100-day moving average, 3760. Let's just say 3760. Okay. Now remember, everything, the crypto market does not move in a straight line. If you've been around for a few years, you know that. Like, let me move this out the way. Like, you're not gonna get that. Okay. But you will get this. Okay, that's something you should expect. Okay. So just wait for pullbacks. And I like to look for pullbacks. Some of the best pullbacks are on that 1 hour time frame. Okay. So if you're looking to get in on Ethereum, just wait for pullback. And when you see stochastics, the next time you see stochastics come down and roll up past the 30% line, that's when you should start looking for entries. Okay, same thing with RSI. So right now everything is congruent. RSI is moving steadily up, and RSI is oversold, but it could stay oversold for some time, especially in the bull market. So okay. And let's look at XRP. So if you're trading this now, my God, XRP already hit the 100-day moving average. Okay, XRP is ahead of the game, man. Like, this is one of the most undervalued coins in the market space. So I will say, I mean, next target for XRP, you can't see it on the chart, but next target, I would say 95 cents, then $1. Like, really. Yep. Oop, that's a bad one. But yeah. 95 cents. $1. Oh, okay. So I was just rambling. I just realized I wasn't recording. So let me repeat what I just said. So I would say if you want to play it safe, wait for a pullback on the 4 hour time frame and look for your stochastic indicator. Wait. Look for your stochastics and your RSI to come back down to the 30% line. You can see the last time we came down, it went up. But back then in January, we were trading sideways and it was still bearish. But you see the most recent time, February 3rd. You see what happened? Whoop, whoop. We went on a little roller coaster ride. Okay. So if you want to play it safe, just wait for a pullback on the 4 hour time frame and then enter. All right. Pull the trigger. Don't be afraid to pull the trigger. A lot of good traders go home crying because they are afraid to pull the trigger. But yeah, guys, that's it for this week. We're looking good. The fundamentals are in place. The technicals are in place. Everything is congruent. And the next The next 4 weeks should be very telling, because right now we are in good shape. So that's it for this week. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and give us your feedback. If you have any specific coins you want me to analyze, feel free to drop it in the comments. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. Don't wait to go long. Let's do it. Until next week. Peace.